Yo, it's Tyrone. I'm back again with another video. So this video, I will be talking about credit builders. So in front of me, you got the top 10 2024 credit builders. Some of you guys already know some of these, Experian, Kickoff, Grow Credit, but some of these aren't really necessary. You only need technically about 3 to 5 max. You only need all 10. But if you decide to add all 10, it will be really beneficial when it comes to getting approved for credit cards, loans, and stuff. So we're gonna go over here on the next slide. So how do credit builder loans work? So one, if approved for a loan, the amount you borrow is set aside in the savings account or a certificate of deposit while you pay off a loan. 2, you begin making monthly payments. 3, you lay reports the payments to the credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. When the balance is paid off, you get access to the money minus the interest and fees. So basically, you keep the money after you pay it off. So you pay $1,000 worth of credit for the loan. At the end of the year, you'll get the money back. So technically, it's like a small savings account. So the benefits is it's easier to qualify for traditional loans. It will help establish your credit score over time, 100%. You can also build a savings and access the funds once the loan is completed, which I already covered. So, it's a win-win. You get your money back. And I highly recommend you add at least 3 to 5. The more, the better. But at that point, you can just open up unsecured credit cards and build your credit over time. Another one is Chime. You have a Chime that do have a credit builder. You can easily use this to build your credit, and over time it'll boost your score and you can get approved for loans. But I do heard some negative reviews on this, but mainly because those people max out their credit cards. So make sure you master your credit cards, guys, when you use the credit builders. And it also defeats the purpose of the credit builders. Most credit builders, they stay on your credit permanently as a closed account, but as a payoff loan. So that's also a good thing to do. So credit builders from Chime. If you have Chime, I recommend you apply for it. I think you might have to do a small deposit, but it's not much. And the alternative route is just to add primary trade lines, because credit builders are really slow. If you're really patient and have no money, I recommend you go on the slow route. Just get the credit builder loan. So most of these you only pay like around $5 to $25 a month. But you're doing 3, you could be paying $50 a month, but it's not that bad. It's like paying for a subscription, guys. So that's the cheaper route. But if you were in a rush, just add a primary trade line. Just for example, Nation Credit Lines, they sell primary trade lines. So about $400. You get some support on your credit, and after that, you can start applying for credit cards around half the range. So you get 30K trade line, for example. Most likely, you're gonna get approved for 15 max or 10 to 5K worst case scenario. But you can apply for 3 of them, and it will add up. So you can literally get approved for 30K in total credit cards if you add a 30K trade line. So you can do that route too, but it can be pricey. The more you add, the more it's going to cost. Or you can get a CPN and apply through the CPN and get credit cards as well. But some CPNs are expensive, but it's cheaper to just make your own and add the credit builders. And another tip is to use your own credit and a different CPN, so you can get more credit cards after you build up the CPN and your social. So yes, you guys can check out the sites for the credit builders. You just type in the words and it should pop up. But I recommend Grow Credit if you do subscriptions. If you got Netflix or whatever, it will port that or your phone bill. Kickoff is the cheapest ones, but I highly recommend Kickoff. Experian is good too. And Ava, it was really good. And there are other ones I can cover in another video, but these are the top ones for now that's actually affordable. So yeah, that'll be it for you guys. Make sure you check out the links for the trade lines and CPNs, and make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in another video.